Go ahead.
Kobe, Grijalva, 14 unders. All right, call me.
Ready to go? 10 seconds.
Go. 2. Good. 2 reps. 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good.
Breathe. There's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, take your time here. Make it up everywhere else. Dip and drive. Go now. Good.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4. Step on it. There you go. Just make sure both feet touched. 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 1. Good.
Bring it this way a little bit. There you go.
2. Get a good stance. Catch it good. 3. 4.
Got it. 2 more.
5. Butt down.
5.
There you go. You're fine. 1, 2, 3. Come on.
6. Good job. 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, let's go. Drive up. Catch it good. Get a good catch on it. There's 1.
There you go.
There's 2. Good. Just like that. I think that's his body weight. There you go.
Good job. That way. Stay with it. Keep working away. 4. Good job. Nice.
There you go.
5. Good. Good job. Way to get them every time. 7. Good.
Good.
There you go. Nice job.
1, 2. Get it up there. 3, 4.
Good job.
5, 6. Come on.
7, 8. Good job. Here we go. 10.
10s. Hit step up. Step up. There you go. Don't stop. Step up here.
3.
You already know you're going to slow down on the clean, so you just step here.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's get on that bar. Come on, knock some out.
Let's go. Don't stop at 10. You can get through the 10s.
2 minutes left. Let's go.
Go. Come on.
There you go. Come on.
Come on, man. You got it.
Get through these 10s. Come on.
Big pull.
Get it. There you go. Get through these 10s.
4.
Don't worry about it.
Oh.
Move your knees.
Back under there.
Come on.
Come on, Kobe.
That's it. You got 1minute 12 seconds. Let's get through the 10s. Get onto them boxes again.
Come on.
Get it.
Good.
Drive up there hard. Come on.
Big pull. Big pull. 7. 8. Good.
You got 45 seconds, man.
Come on. Boom.
Good.
One more. Big pull. Yeah.
Good.
Big pull. Come on. 1, 2, 3,
Get up.
4.
Come on. 5. Get up there.
7. Come on. 8. 9.
One more. Good. Get up there. Go. Just go. Turn and go. Come on. Turn and go.
3.
Get up there. One more. Get it.
4.
Good.
Good job.